Hey folks, welcome back to another episode. So today we got ourselves Tozo A1, Tozo T10, and the Tozo T12, and also the Tozo T6. We're doing a comparison on all of these because, well, I started out with the T6 and I really love the quality. I really love all the feature and functionality that's in the T6. And so I just thought I'd pick up a few others to see how they are. And not to jump to the ending or anything, but they all turn out to be very good headsets. Let's go in and kind of talk about the differences between all of these. They all look kind of very similar over here. I mean, T6 has a different design, obviously, but they all have very similar function and features. So let's go into them. First off, you notice this one over here. This is the Tozo A1. This is a super small version of all their headset. This is the smallest and lightest. Obviously, because it's small and light, it has the smallest battery on there. So this case right here, it will last you 24 hours if you use the case with it. This thing right here goes deep into my ears. The tip that they give you are actually different than all the other ones because it's smaller, a lot smaller. And so yeah, the A1 is where they try to keep it as small and light as possible, which I really love, by the way. The T10. The T10 is your middle of the road kind of headset. It has a bigger case. What that means is that it has a bigger battery. So with the battery in the case, this thing will last you 30 hours with the case. Yep. So if you have this thing around in your case, you can really go on for a day and a half without charging the case back up again. So yeah, it can last you a pretty long time. The one special thing about this one is the light indicator is inside the case right here. You can actually throw this thing in a bucket of water and it'll be fine because it's IPX8 rated. Back to the Tozo A1. Compare that to the T10. This one is IPX5 rated, so probably just sweat and not like jumping into the pool or anything like that. But yeah, so this is pretty much the middle of the road one, if you don't mind it bigger than the A1. One special thing about this one versus the A1 that I talked about earlier is that this one has wireless charging underneath the base right here. So if you pop it on a wireless charger, it will charge this thing. Speaking of charge, this thing will charge under 2 hours if you pop it on a wireless charger. Now, you know wireless chargers charge slower than a cord. So if you use a USB-C, that's going to charge it a lot faster. It takes about 90 minutes to charge it with a USB-C versus wireless charger under 2 hours. Next up, we got ourselves a T12. This one right here is a slightly upgraded version, I would say, of the T10. I guess that's why the numbers T10 and T12. This one right here is ones where you want to look a little bit cooler, I would say, because it has this cool LED indicator right here that tells you how much is left, and also each headphones how much battery is left as it's charging. So you can see right there. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. I think that's the biggest upgrade between this versus the T10 right here. As you can see, the form factor is slightly smaller as well. I would say about 10% smaller. It still has wireless charging. It's still IPX8 rated. The only thing is, you have to keep in mind, is that this one right here, let me compare that. The T12 is slightly bigger. From a charging standpoint, the T12 is still rocking wireless charging under 2 hours, fully charge a case, and then 90 minutes if you plug a cord in. Yep, same thing as the T10 over here. Last but not least, we got ourselves the T6. This is probably my favorite. It's my first and it's still my favorite because of the form factor. It just kind of looked like an AirPod Pro. That's not the reason why I like it so much. Mainly because I think the size fit me just right versus if you look at the size on the T12. The T12 is slightly bigger. Still have that shiny look to it. At the same time, the T6 still rocks the wireless charging on the back. It does not use a USB-C. It actually uses a micro USB. Still has battery indicator. And I think the form factor is just great on the case. Still has the whole IPX8 rated Bluetooth 5.3, which is latest and greatest. And the battery life is still 6 hours on a single charge. And the case will provide you with 30 hours. So now let's compare the sizes. If you put these right next to each other, you are gonna see a huge difference. The T10 obviously is the biggest one. T12. Then I would say the A1 is actually pretty big from a case standpoint, but depending on how you look at it, the T6 can be bigger. So I guess I would say that the A1 is the tiniest of them all. And definitely when you wear this, you can definitely feel it. It goes in your ear a little bit further than all the other ones. So depending on your earlobes, I guess that would be the reason why you pick one over the other. But for me, all of them sound fantastic. The latency on it is not bad. I wouldn't edit videos while using these, but in terms of music and playing games, for me it was just fine. So there you have it, guys. That is the Tozo comparison. A1, the T10, T12, and the T6. I actually like them all, and it's really hard for me to pick one over the other when I'm walking out the door. I hope you guys find this useful, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye-bye.